So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your default browser to the Google Chrome browser in your iPhone. Now, in order to do it, you might know the Safari browser is the default browser in your iPhone. Now, in order to change it, just simply open the settings of your iPhone. Now, in the settings, scroll down until you see this option of apps. Just simply click on the apps, and here in the top option, you're gonna see this default apps. Just simply tap over there, and when you scroll down here, you're gonna see this option that says browser app. Just simply tap over there, and currently I've not installed the Google Chrome in my system in my iPhone, so it is not it is not visible here. But if you have the Google Chrome, you can directly switch your default browser app to that particular browser, or if any other browser that you want to be your default browser. It can be the Mozilla Firefox as well, or any browser that is available on the App Store. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.